Hello everyone, welcome to the featured video of WhatsApp Chat for WooCommerce. This plugin is developed by FME Addons, a leading WooCommerce plugins development company having more than 2,000 happy customers. Let's see what this plugin can do for you. Quick and easy chatting options mean more customers will interact and ask more about your products or services. This tool will help you add WhatsApp Messenger to encourage customers to engage in a friendly and informal conversation with your support team. You can add an unlimited number of members to your support staff to keep the WhatsApp chat active and responsive. Provide the job title, phone number, and availability of the staff member so that customers can interact accordingly. Our WhatsApp Chat for WooCommerce plugin is fully compatible with HPOS, high-performance order storage, and multi-site. Let's see what this plugin can do for you. You can allow customers to initiate a WhatsApp chat right on the store and ask anything about a product or service you offer. For specific product support, go to the product page. You find WhatsApp support buttons with online and offline statuses of support staff. You can customize the first message so that customers can reach out to your support staff with a click. For back-end configuration, go to Documentation page. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact our support team.